Stop trying to please women, do this instead. Hey there, it's Anna. Are you finding yourself bending over backwards trying to please women only to feel unnoticed or underappreciated? It's a common trap, but today we're going to shift that perspective. And by the end of this video, you will have a fresh approach that not only feels much more natural, but is far more effective in attracting genuine interest. And be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video for a powerful bonus tip. It's a fundamental piece of advice that ties all of these strategies together, enhancing your overall approach. You definitely don't want to miss it. Avoid over-texting. Why should you avoid over-texting? Let's break down why keeping your texting balanced and purposeful is crucial and how it can help in getting women to notice you more. Over-texting can come across as needy or overwhelming. It's important to keep your texting balanced, showing that you are interested but not overly eager. This means sending messages that are thoughtful and have a clear purpose, rather than texting constantly without much to say. When you text less but with more meaningful content, it shows that you value quality over quantity. This approach gives her space to miss you and think about you. It also suggests that you have a fulfilling life outside of your phone, which is attractive. Balanced texting creates intrigue and can make your interactions more anticipated and valued. Keeping texting balanced and purposeful is effective because it demonstrates confidence and self-assuredness. It shows that you are considerate of her time and your own. This approach fosters a healthy dynamic where communication is meaningful, not just a filler. It creates a sense of intrigue and interest, making your interactions much more engaging. Show genuine interest, not flattery. Let's talk about the difference between genuine interest and empty flattery. Understanding this distinction is key. Let's delve into why showing real interest in her thoughts and feelings is more impactful than just offering flattering comments. Flattery, while nice, can often come across as insincere if it's not backed by genuine interest. Instead of focusing on superficial compliments, try to engage with her on a deeper level. Ask about her opinions, her experiences, and her aspirations. Listen actively and respond thoughtfully to what she shares. This shows that you value her as a person, not just for her appearance or what she can offer you. Genuine interest involves a deeper connection where you are curious about who she is, her life, and what makes her unique. This kind of sincere engagement is far more meaningful and attractive than empty flattery. Showing genuine interest instead of just flattery is effective because it builds a deeper, more authentic connection. It demonstrates that you appreciate her for who she is beyond surface level qualities. This approach fosters respect and a stronger bond, as it shows you care about her thoughts and feelings. Be comfortable with silence. This is all about embracing silence. Feeling the need to fill every silence isn't always necessary. Let's understand why being comfortable with quiet moments can be an attractive quality and how it can help you stand out. Silence doesn't always have to be awkward. Being comfortable with quiet moments shows confidence and emotional maturity. It suggests that you are content with simply just being in her presence without the pressure of constant conversation. This ease with silence can make interactions more relaxed and natural. It allows both of you to process your thoughts and enjoy the moment rather than forcing dialogue. Sometimes the most meaningful connections are felt in these quiet moments. It demonstrates that you are secure in yourself and the relationship and don't need constant chatter to feel connected. This comfort with silence can be a refreshing change for many women. Being comfortable with silence is effective because it indicates a level of self-assurance and ease in social situations. It shows that you're not just there to entertain or constantly engage, but you are also present and connected in quieter moments. This balance can make your interactions much more meaningful and appealing. Now, before we dive into our next point, here's a small request. If this video is helping you out, please support us with a like, a comment, or a subscribe. Each interaction from you helps shape the direction of our content, and I always look forward to reading your comments. Engage in meaningful conversations. Now, our fourth tip is about the depth of your conversations. Moving beyond small talk to more meaningful discussions can be more impactful. Let's see why engaging in deeper conversations is important and how it can attract positive attention. Engaging in meaningful conversations means delving into topics that are more substantial than typical small talk. This involves discussing interests, passions, life experiences, and perspectives. It's about exploring ideas and sharing stories stories that reveal more about who you are and who she is. These kinds of conversations demonstrate that you are interested in understanding her on a deeper level. They can lead to stronger emotional connections because, well, they involve sharing and responding to more personal and significant aspects of actual life. Meaningful conversations show that you value her mind and spirit, not just her company, creating a richer and much more engaging interaction. Meaningful conversations are effective because they show that you are genuinely interested in knowing her beyond surface level. They foster a deeper connection and understanding, which is often more attractive than just casual chat. Engaging in substantial discussions indicates that you seek a significant and thoughtful relationship, not just a superficial one. Reject neediness. Why is it so important to avoid clingy behaviour? Showing that you have your own life and are not desperate for attention is key. Let's explore the impact of rejecting neediness. Rejecting neediness means showing that you are independent and not overly reliant on her for your happiness or validation. Avoid behaviours that come off as clingy or desperate, like constantly seeking approval, being too available, or getting upset when she's busy. Instead, demonstrate that you have a fulfilling life outside of your relationship with her. This includes having your own hobbies, interests, and social circle. Independence is attractive because it suggests confidence and a balanced life. It reassures her that you are interested in her for genuine reasons, not just because you need someone to fill a void in your life. Avoiding neediness is effective because it communicates self-sufficiency and emotional stability. It shows that you are a complete person on your own, which is inherently attractive. Independence creates a healthier dynamic in the relationship, where both parties can enjoy each other's company without feeling pressured or overwhelmed. Demonstrating your values. It's crucial to let your actions reflect your personal principles. Why is this important and how can it impact the way that women perceive you? Let's dive into that. Living by your values and principles shows integrity and authenticity. It's about being true to yourself and standing by your beliefs in your actions and decisions. When you demonstrate your values through your behavior, it conveys a strong sense of self and moral character. This can include anything from how you treat others to your work ethic to your commitment to personal goals. Women are often attracted to men who know what they stand for and are not afraid to show it. Being genuine and principled can set you apart, showing that you are someone who is trustworthy and has depth. Demonstrating your values is effective because it shows depth of character and sincerity. It suggests that you are not just trying to impress, but are genuinely committed to living a life of meaning and purpose. This authenticity is attractive as it builds trust and respect, forming a solid foundation for any relationship. Be decisive in your actions. Why is decisiveness important and how does it impact your attractiveness? Making firm decisions shows that you are capable of taking charge. Being decisive actually means making choices confidently and standing by them. It's about not wavering or showing uncertainty in your decisions. And this trait shows that you are a leader, someone who can be relied upon to make choices and take action. Now, it's not about being stubborn or inflexible, rather. It's about showing clarity and conviction in your actions. Women often find decisiveness attractive because it demonstrates strength, confidence, and the ability to handle situations effectively. When you are decisive, it suggests that you are capable of taking the lead and handling challenges, which can be reassuring and appealing in a partner. Bonus tip, cultivate self-respect and confidence. As a bonus tip, let's focus on cultivating self-respect and confidence. These are foundational qualities that enhance all of the points that we've discussed. Let's delve into why building these traits is crucial and how they can increase your appeal. Self-respect and confidence go hand in hand and are key to attracting others. Self-respect involves understanding your worth and treating yourself with dignity. It means setting boundaries and not compromising your values for the sake of others. Confidence, on the other hand, is all about believing in your abilities and carrying yourself with assurance. These traits make you more attractive because they signify emotional strength and self-assurance. Cultivate these by focusing on personal growth, setting and achieving goals, and practicing self-care. Remember, confidence and self-respect are not about arrogance. They are about knowing your value and projecting it into a positive, assertive manner. Cultivating self-respect and confidence is valuable because it makes you more appealing as a person. And these qualities draw others towards you, creating a natural attraction. They help you in being authentic and assertive in your actions, ensuring that you are respected and your relationships are balanced and healthy. Armed with the knowledge of what makes you appealing to women, are you ready to uncover more secrets? Check out the psychology of ignoring women or learn about girls' body language when they like you next. Appreciate your time watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos.